Alright, here we go. We're just going we're throwing on the Minwax poly shade. It's got the stain and the urethane in it that'll slick it up and help it get off the reel. It's gonna get us a nice little Bombay mahogany color going on here. Probably going to do 2 coats. We're going to let this one dry and then soak in and come back and do one more. It's pretty warm out here though, so it shouldn't take us long. Get it good and saturated. Give us a good waterproof coat. We're going to sit here and let this dry for a little while. We'll get back with you. We're going to go into the, I'm probably going to leather wrap my handle or some kind of wrap. We're going to put the lanyard on, get our thread, put our thread on, and we're lucky we may get to throw it today. If not, we'll get it together and make it look all pretty. Thanks for watching again.